is the worst game. No, that's an animal! That's an animal! That's an animal!
Help! I need somebody. Help! Not just anybody. Help! You know I need someone. Help! When I was young.
Stella, you want to go bang?
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
On all levels except physical, I am a wolf.
Anybody hungry? Anybody sleepy? Anybody highly overweight?
Shut up.
I'm that nigga on the block. Police pull up. I'm tryna stash the Glock. You that nigga on the low.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if I
Faded, browned out, looking all shaded. 2 months since I fucked a lady. Young man, dick going crazy. Standards at.
I am the one, don't wait your time, don't need a gun to get respect upon the street. Under the sun, the back, the sun.
Daisy! Hi! Oh god.
You assuming I'm a human, what I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is speaking, shaking off of me. And the very next day, hey Fab, I'ma kill you. Lyrics coming at you with supersonic speed. You assuming I'm a human, what I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is speaking, shaking off of me.
I need some sleep. You can't go on like this.
All around me are familiar.